Right. Hey guys, welcome to the 4th of July sale at Harbor Freight. They put out a brand new coupon for 15% off any single item, and that starts July 3rd, so Friday, and it goes through Sunday. But if you're an Inside Track member, you're getting that deal today, July 2nd. Let's see what we can do with that coupon. Don't forget about the red, white, and blue savings. They're also this weekend. How about that Bauer? That little screwdriver is such a wonderful little tool. $16.99 with the coupon. The little toolboxes are also a great buy at $16.99. They're normally $19.99 with your coupon. I bought one of these carts the other day. They are a great buy. Normally $139.99. If you use that 15% coupon, $118.99. I highly recommend this cart if you don't have one. They're very versatile. Then there's a US General's 30-inch 5-drawer mechanics cart. You can use your coupon on that. $246.49 down from $289.99 with your 15% off. How about a generator? This is a new item they have, the 4,200-watt dual fuel super quiet inverter generator. It's normally $799.99. If you use your coupon on this, $679.99. How about a telescoping ladder? These are super handy, 250-pound weight limit. This thing reaches 14 foot, normally $149.99. Occasionally they run it on sale, not that often. So you can use that coupon on it, make your own sale today, $127.49. How about a nice welder? Normally $10.99. This is a 120 or a 240 volt, normally $1,099. If you use your coupon on that, look how much you can save, $150, $934.99. Here's a nice Icon 1/4-inch drive compact socket and bit set. It's 52 pieces, so a very nice little set in its own nice little case. Normally $79.99. If you apply that coupon, $67.99. This is another new item from Icon. Chicago Electric Power Tools 10-inch sliding miter saw. I added this because I've had one of these for about at least 10 years. Still works. People poo-poo the inexpensive stuff, and that's fine if you're a contractor. But if you're just a do-it-yourselfer like myself, this thing has served me very well. The only thing that's happened to it is the little trigger, the little yellow trigger up in the front that lets you slide it side to side, broke. So I had to modify and put me a little piece of wire there to unlock it. Other than that, the saw still cuts great. I highly recommend this. Normally it's $149.99. If you apply that coupon, you can pick that up for $127.49. And if you're a do-it-yourselfer like me, I'm 63, so if you bought it today at 63, this thing probably lasts you as long as you'd want a saw. So I do highly recommend it. If you don't have one, it's a great buy. And that's all the items that I want to show right now. My point was just make your own sale. And this coupon gives you that opportunity. Use it once per day. If you are an Inside Track Club member, of course, you get that today, July 2nd. But everybody else, July 3rd through 5th. So enjoy your weekend. I hope everybody has a great 250th anniversary of the country. And until that next video, y'all take care.